This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 28. These video series are specially designed for the students of CSS and PMS who often feel difficulty for the preparation of MCQs portion of subjects. Therefore, these MCQs will help them cover the MCQs portion of subject. And other students who appear for any competitive exam regarding the subject of Pakistan Affair can take benefit from this video series. In this video, we will talk on 42 MCQs on 3rd June Plan, Indian Independence Act 1947 and Radcliffe Award. Let's start. Which British Premier declared in UK Parliament that India would be given freedom by February 20th, 1948? Options are Lord Blair, Lord Athill, Lord Harry, Lord Hastings. So second is the right answer, which is Lord Athill. Who was the last Viceroy of India? Options are Lord Curzon, Lord Warren, Lord Cripps, Lord Mountbatten. So fourth is the correct answer, which is Lord Mountbatten. Lord Mountbatten was the last Viceroy of India. Who replaced Lord Wavell? Options are Lord Curzon, Lord Hastings, Lord Mountbatten, Lord William. So the right answer is Lord Mountbatten. When Lord Mountbatten arrived in India? Options are March 20, 1947, March 22, 1947, March 24, 1947, March 26, 1947. So second is the correct answer, which is March 22nd, 1947. Lord Mountbatten arrived in India on March 22nd, 1947. Lord Mountbatten came with the mission to make a peaceful transfer of power from British to India hands by. Options are June 1947, July 1947, August 1947, September 1947. So the right answer here is June 1947. When Quaid-e-Azam reached Karachi? Options are August 5, 1947, August 7, 1947, August 9, 1947, August 11, 1947. So second is the correct answer, which is August 7, 1947. Who was known as Sarhadi Gandhi? Options are Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Nehru, Khizar Hayat, Tiwana. So the Sarhadi Gandhi was the person was Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Second is the right answer here. Justice Deen Muhammad and Justice Munir were the members of the Boundary Commission on behalf of Pakistan of. Options are Punjab, Bengal, Assam, Sindh. So the right answer here is Punjab. Justice Deen Muhammad and Justice Munir were the members of the Boundary Commission on behalf of Pakistan of Punjab. How many total members of Punjab Boundary Commission, including chairman? Options are 3, 5, 7, 9. So the correct answer is 5. Who had worked out the partition plan by April 1947? Options are Lord Athill, Lord Mountbatten, Stafford Cripps, Lord Wavell. So the correct answer is Lord Mountbatten. When Working Committee of Congress gave its acceptance of the partition plan? Options are May 1st, 1947, May 2nd, 1947, May 3rd, 1947, May 4th, 1947. So the correct answer is May 1st, 1947. When partition plan was issued? Options are June 1st, 1947, June 2nd, 1947, June 3rd, 1947, June 4th, 1947. So the correct answer is June 3rd, 1947. Partition plan is known as. Options are July 3rd plan, June 3rd plan, Pakistan plan, Indian plan. So the correct answer is June 3rd plan. Which plan provided that the legislature of the Punjab and Bengal shall decide whether the provinces should be divided or not? Options are Freedom Plan, Muslim Plan, June 3rd Plan, Hindu Plan. So the correct answer is June 3rd Plan. Which plan provided that referendum shall be held in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? Options are British plan, Lord Mountbatten plan, Lord Atholl plan, 3rd June plan. So the correct answer is 3rd June plan. Which plan said that states shall be free and independent to join one or the other country? Options are 3rd June plan, Congress plan, Muslim League plan, Freedom plan. So the correct answer is 3rd June plan. Which plan provided that a boundary commission shall be set up after the partition which will determine the boundaries of the two countries? Options are Indian plan, Quaid-e-Azam plan, Nehru plan, 3rd June plan. So again the right answer here is 3rd June plan. Which plan provided that military assets shall be divided among two countries after partition? Options are British plan, India plan, 3rd June plan, Freedom plan. So the correct answer is 3rd June plan. How many boundary commissions were appointed to demarcate the boundaries between Pakistan and India? Options are 2, 3, 4, 5. So second is the correct option here, which is 3. So in total there are 3 boundary commissions which were appointed to demarcate the boundaries between India and Pakistan. Total 3 boundary commissions. Who said plan did not meet in some important respects our point of view? Options are Nehru, Liaquat Ali, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So the correct answer is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Muhammad Ali Jinnah said that plan did not meet in some important respect our point of view. The League Council, under whom direction, ultimately accepted the 3rd June plan, but under protest. Options are Liaquat Ali Khan, Abdul Rabb Nishtar, Quaid-e-Azam, all of above. So the correct answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Radcliffe Award was declared on. Options are August 4, 1947, August 16, 1947, August 18, 1947, August 20, 1947. So the correct answer is August 16, 1947. Radcliffe Award was declared on August 16, 1947. To give effect to the plan of June 3rd, the British Parliament on July 18, 1947 passed which act? Options are Act of Settlement, Rowlatt Act, Indian Independence Act 1947, Pakistan Freedom Act. So the correct answer here is Indian Independence Act 1947. To give effect to the plan of June 3rd, the British Parliament on July 18, 1947 passed the Indian Independence Act 1947. So this is important MCQ as well. Who was the British Prime Minister at the time of creation of Pakistan? Options are Lord Wavell, Sir Radcliffe, Lord Atholl, none of these. So third is the right answer, which is Lord Atholl. Which act provided for the complete end of British control over the Indian affairs from August 15, 1947? Options are Rowlatt Act, Act of 1919, Act of 1935, Indian Independence Act of 1947. So fourth is the correct answer, which is Indian Independence Act of 1947. Which act provided that Governor General and provincial governors would no longer exercise their discretionary powers of individual judgment? Options are Act of 1919, Indian Independence Act 1947, Act of 1935, Act of Settlement. So the correct answer here is Indian Independence Act 1947. Boundary commissions were set up for Punjab and Bengal under whose chairmanship? Options are Lord Mountbatten, Lord Atholl, Lord Wavell, Sir Radcliffe. So the correct answer here is Sir Radcliffe. Who were the members of the Punjab Boundary Commission on behalf of Pakistan? Options are Justice Deen Muhammad, Justice Muhammad Munir, Justice Muhammad Akram, A and B. So fourth is the right answer, which is A and B. Who were the members of Punjab Boundary Commission on behalf of India? Options are Justice Meher Chand, Justice Jay Singh, Justice Muhammad Akram. And fourth is A and B. So the right answer here is fourth option, which is A and B, which include Justice Meher Chand and Justice Jay Singh. So therefore fourth is correct answer here. Who were the members of Bengal Boundary Commission on behalf of Pakistan? Options are Justice Abu Saleh Muhammad, Justice Muhammad Akram, Justice Rahman, all of above. So the correct answer here is all of above. Who were the members of Bengal Boundary Commission on behalf of India? Options are Justice C.C. Biswas, Justice B.K. Mukherjee, Justice Muhammad Akram, and the fourth is A and B. So the correct answer here is fourth, which is A and B. A and B options are Justice C.C. Biswas and Justice B.K. Mukherjee. So therefore, these two persons was the member of Bengal Boundary Commission on behalf of India. So therefore, fourth is the correct answer here. When commission was set up? Options are June 1947, July 1947, August 1947, September 1947. So the correct answer is June 1947. When Radcliffe arrived in India? Options are June 8, 1947, July 8, 1947, August 8, 1947, September 8, 1947. Correct answer here is July 8, 1947. Radcliffe arrived in India on July 8, 1947. How many commissions were assigned the responsibility of demarcating the boundaries of the two parts of the Punjab and Bengal on the basis of the contiguous majority areas of Muslims and non-Muslims? Options are 2, 3, 4, 5. So the correct answer here is 2. Means first is the right option here, which includes 2 commissions. There were total 2 commissions. Who was desirous to become Joint Governor General of India and Pakistan? Options are Lord Atholl, Lord Wavell, Lord Mountbatten, Radcliffe. So the correct answer is Lord Mountbatten, and this is important MCQ. Which political party accepted the proposal of having a joint Governor General? Options are Congress, Muslim League, National Liberals, Swarajya. So the correct answer here is Congress. Congress accepted the proposal of having a joint Governor General. Who rejected the proposal of having the joint Governor General? Options are Nehru, Gandhi, Quaid-e-Azam, Liaquat Ali. The correct answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam rejected the proposal of having joint Governor General. Lord Mountbatten announced the establishment of Government of Pakistan on options are August 14, 1947, August 15, 1947, August 16, 1947, August 17, 1947. So the correct answer here is on August 15, 1947, Lord Mountbatten announced the establishment of the Government of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam took oath as the first Governor General of Pakistan. Options are August 13, 1947, August 14, 1947, August 15, 1947, August 16, 1947. So the correct answer is August 15, 1947. Quaid-e-Azam took oath as the first Governor General of Pakistan on August 15, 1947. Which act created two dominions? Options, two dominions, Indian Union and Pakistan. Options are Act of 1909, Act of 1919, Act of 1935, Act of 1947. So the correct answer is Act of 1947, which created two dominion, Indian Union and Pakistan. Act provided for the complete end of British rule in India. Options are Act of 1919, Act of 1947, Act of 1919, Act of 1935. So the right answer here is Act of 1947. Second is the correct answer, which is Act of 1947, which completely end the British rule in India. According to which act the title of Viceroy was dropped? Options are Act of Partition of 1947, Act of 1935, Act of 1919, Act of 1909. So the correct answer here is Act of Partition of 1947. This act dropped the title of Viceroy. So these are 5 questions to test yourself. You can just pause the video here and solve these questions to know that how many of MCQs you have memorized. See you in next video.